Very good, my friends. Do you want to spend 100 euros changing the brake pads of your car, or you just want to spend 30 minutes and 30 euros and get the best pads for your car? Then if the second is your option, this video is for you. We are going to change the brake pads on a Renault Megane, and this procedure can be done by almost any car. I did this for a Citroën Berlingo. Unfortunately, I lost the mobile phone that I used to record this video, and I cannot show it to you. I choose the Bosch brake pads because I think I will get the best quality. This cost me 30 euros. There are cheaper ones, but as I'm going to save the money for the change on the garage, I'm going to put the best brake pads that I was able to find for my car. Here are the details, and this is for the front wheels. Okay, here we have all the tools we are going to need. We need a Allen key number 7 millimeters. This is not a regular key that you have usually in the Allen kits, so maybe you need to buy one. Also a screwdriver and the clamp, a big clamp. First thing we have to take in consideration is that we need to change both brake pads on the front wheels at the same time. Okay, first we are going to check what is this status. These ones are a bit damaged, but if the damage is much bigger, we need to change them also. Okay, I started to listen a sound when braking, and this means that the brake pads needs to be changed. Let's check. Okay, there is still some brake disc. First thing we need to do is to remove the wheel. To do this operation, we need to place the car on a flat surface. Okay, it's very important before lifting the car to put it on a flat surface, and we are going to do like we do when changing the wheel. We are going to put the car up with the jack, and we are going to remove the wheel. I have a video on how to remove the wheel. Okay, you can take a look in the car now. Okay, the jack is located here. Okay, we are going to get the jack from here. Concrete surface is the best to do this, but I don't have the opportunity in my home. Okay, we are going to place the jack in position. You can check the video to see where you have to put it and how to leave it. Okay, now we can see better the disc. Okay, those are the wasted braking pads that we are going to remove. Okay, there are 2 in each wheel. Okay, we are going to use a regular screwdriver, okay, to remove the clip. Okay, don't lose the clip. Okay, there are 2 protective caps there. Okay, we need to remove the caps. Lose them. Okay, there is a screw that we are going to need Allen key number 7, so make sure you have this key before starting to do anything, because this doesn't come in all the kits you buy. I had to buy it separately. is important. We need a piece of wire like this. We are going to place it like this, and we are going to use this to hold this part here, because we don't want to be held on the braking tube. Okay, so we will place it and hold it right here. Now we can remove it. Okay. Good. So here are the old pads. We are going to check them. Okay, let's compare the old ones and the new ones. Definitely they are quite used. Okay, here we have the two different pads. This one that doesn't have this piece here, we are going to place it there. Okay, like this. The abrasive parts to the interior. Okay, now we need to do something with this piece here. Okay, now we need a piece like this to do this job, to put in this piece, this to the back. This piece here, we needed to put it back to his position. I'm going to put this here. Good. Now we can install here. Okay. The other brake pad goes in here. There we have. And now we can put this back here. Okay. Like this. Okay, and then we need to put back the two screws in position. Don't forget to remove the wire. Caps. Okay. Don't forget to remove the wire from here, okay? And now we are going to install the clip back in this position. It's good. Now we have to put back the wheel. And now the final step, but one of the most important for your safety care we get in the car. Let's start the car. Okay, so now we need to lightly press the brake system smoothly. We want the brake to get to his position. Okay, we start braking slowly. Okay, I can feel every time it's harder. Okay. I forget to put the caps, but it's not the end of the world. We put the wheel like this. So here we can put it in position. Good. Good. We are going to do a few kilometers to test the brake, so go very slow with not too much cars on the street. We are going to start softly and then we will start to brake harder. So now we are on a, and let's brake. That was super easy. It took me 30 minutes recording and everything, so I will be faster on the next one. Remember, you have to do the other wheel also. I hope you find this video useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.